Many of the prisoners who are eligible for release now that three strikes has been modified have been incarcerated for more than a decade. When voters passed Proposition 36 this month, that did not automatically release anyone, but it does mean some offenders can have their case reviewed rather than spending the rest of their lives in prison. One of those prisoners is Kenneth Corley. Joining me is Kenneth Corley's attorney, Justin Brooks, who is also a professor with the California Western School of Law. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So first of all, tell us why it was that Kenneth Corley was sentenced to 25 years to life.
Well, Kenneth had one of those sad cases. He was a guy who had a drug addiction, and he stole things to pay for drugs, and he ended up getting a third strike for possession of drugs and drug paraphernalia, and got sentenced to 25 years to life.
How long has he been in prison so far?
He's a 61-year-old guy now, and he's been in prison for 16 years.
So how long have you been working on his case?
Well, that's the interesting thing about this, is I've been working on this case long before Prop 36 passed. And in fact, Bonnie Dumanis, our district attorney, identified Kenneth as one of those cases that she was willing to look at and consider stipulating to having him released. So we've been, over the past year, working together to come up with a good legal theory to get him out and get him resentenced.
What was it about his case that made him viable?
Well, really the fact that he was sentenced ultimately on a third strike that I believe the district attorney's office now would not have treated as a third strike case, and the fact that over 16 years he's been in prison. He's got his GED, he hasn't gotten any trouble, he's had no write-ups. So he really was the kind of inmate you look at and say, you know, is it really worth it for us just as taxpayers to spend money to keep him in prison for the rest of his life? If it's a guy who's dealt with his drug addictions, that can deal with his criminality. So it made no sense to keep him in prison for the rest of his life.
So was it true to say that our district attorney, Bonnie Dumanis, was already thinking about the possibility of three strikes being modified and preparing for it?
Well, I would actually give her more credit than that regardless of what was going to happen with three strikes law, she wanted to look back at some old cases and identify cases where you had nonviolent offenders who weren't a danger to the community, who shouldn't be locked up for the rest of their lives. And she identified two cases, Kenneth Corley and Sergio Ayala. The hearing for Sergio is going to be this Thursday. And she said, these are the kind of cases I'd be willing to take a look at and work with you on.
Which is one of the reasons that San Diego has a couple of the very first prisoners to be released. Were you surprised that the DA did not take a stand on Proposition 36 before the election?
Yeah, I hadn't really been focusing on that. It's interesting, but we had certainly been working together on these cases. So I know, in principle, I know the district attorney agreed with the principle that people shouldn't be in prison for the rest of their lives for nonviolent, non-serious offenses if they weren't a danger to the community. Now, the interesting thing about this law is it's not that clear-cut that the thousands of people who have nonviolent, non-serious third strikes are going to get out. That's going to be on a case-by-case determination. And
it depends on the county from where they come, right, also, as to whether their chances are good of getting out or not.
Well, I can tell you from, litigating in counties throughout California, there's varying levels of cooperation between district attorneys' offices and criminal defense attorneys. And I think in a lot of counties, they are going to vigorously fight these cases. This is the kind of proposition that created sort of strange bedfellows. You had Grover Norquist, the fiscal conservative, shouldn't raise any taxes guy, in favor of it because we're spending a lot of money keeping these guys in prison for the rest of their lives. And then you had, progressives who have always thought the three strikes law was overly harsh. Politics are going to play out going forward as well as to different judges, how they're going to view future criminality, dangerousness, how they're going to look at their priors. So it's not clear-cut.
But how do you prepare somebody who's been in prison for 16 years to reintegrate back into the community? And do we have the resources to do that successfully?
Yeah, well, that's one of the reasons why our case was heard so quickly, was because that's what we've been doing for the past several months. The district attorney wanted a plan for release that was going to give the maximum chance of success. And so Kenneth Corley this week is going to come back to San Diego. He's going to go to a halfway house We've set that up for him. He's got a job. He's got family support. The reintegration isn't necessarily going to be easy. I mean, it's going to be wonderful for him and his family, but you know, as director of the California Innocence Project, I've walked a number of people out of prison after years and years of being incarcerated, and the reintegration is tough.
The start of a new life.
It is, and it's you know, it's just things like technology. You know, they haven't seen the
Everything
internet.
will have changed for them.
Everything
Yes.
has changed. It's
Well, I'd like
difficult.
to thank you very much for filling us in, Justin Brooks.
Absolutely.
Thank you.